So the process to delete your Temu account is quite easy and simple. Whether you are on Android or iPhone, it is same. So once the Temu app is open, just go and tap on this person icon in the bottom middle. And once you are here, you need to go and open up settings. For that, just go and tap on this round icon at the right top corner. So it is on the right side of this mic icon. Tap on this round icon. It would open up settings. Inside settings, at the top left, you have account security. Tap on account security. And once you are here, you need to scroll down a bit and tap on at the bottom delete your Temu account. Tap on this. And once you are here, you need to scroll down and read it all. Tap check mark this icon. I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Tap on continue. You have to select some reason. Again, tap on continue. It just will verify your identity using the email that you use to make the account. And once that is done, your account will be deleted. So you can just go and proceed with it. It is a quite simple process. Hope by doing so, you'll be able to delete your Temu account on your app. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.